Good morning, fam. So, I just finished going live. As you can see, I'm still at my desk. And today is going to be a busy day. And I'm trying this vlog thing for YouTube. I have always kind of been skeptical about vlogs because I'm like, y'all, my life is boring. But then I be seeing some of these other vlogs and I'm like, okay, well, if they can put this up, then I can put my boring life up too. But for me, it's my life here in Bali and just how I navigate life. Usually Tuesday is the day that I get dressed. I put on makeup. So that's why I look so great today. But I am actually probably gonna change soon because we got cleaners coming today. And I actually went live today to talk about how to balance burnout, especially when you are a entrepreneur and you're trying to grow and build your business or take your side hustle from side hustle to full-time. When you're in that space, a lot of us can get so burnt out, especially if you're still working a job. And so one of the things I talked about this morning is how you have to invest and delegate and invest. And so one of the things I'm investing in today is the cleaners. So the cleaners should be here in about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna get ready and wait for them to come. Okay, so I straightened up. I finished straightening up because that's what I usually do before the cleaners come, so that while the cleaners are here and I'm managing that, I am not busy trying to put little stuff up, you know. So I finished that. I'm finna change because, listen, I am too cute to be wearing this while cleaning. Let me show you. This is the fit for the live today. Okay. So I can't be wearing that while they're here, and I'm already sweating. So I'm gonna change. Okay, so I can take a little moment to relax a little bit. Anthony is actually gone to the ATM. Look, I'm sweating, y'all, because I was late opening the windows today because I went live, and this is reality. I'm gonna actually just keep this footage because this is reality of my life in the tropical world of Bali. So I went live today, and when I go live, I don't open the windows. Usually I start every morning opening the windows so that we can get as much breeze as possible. And the fans are always on, and just like you probably can hear it now. And I have 2 fans on just because I want to keep the breeze going because it can get hot in here quickly. But there's always noise. The dogs next door bark, the toques or the geckos make loud noises. Things happen. You can hear the motorbikes in the background. And although it's really quiet where we're at, sometimes at the most inconvenient times when I'm going live, I can have like crazy stuff happening, ambulance passing by. So I always keep the windows closed. So hence your girl is sweating. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna hang out, watch TV, and then I will come back and check on y'all or let y'all know what's going on. Cleaners still haven't made it yet, but Anthony's made it back. So we are eating some lunch, and what we got today, I cooked yesterday. So I made some chili. So chili, we warming some of that up. And then I made some mustard greens and some cornbread, and it's some rice in there too. And Anthony made some watermelon, fresh watermelon juice right there. And then I made some fresh lemonade. So we just gonna eat lunch. We got a package. This is my multivitamin. Tony's just waiting for the change. Suksuma. Can you see? There we go. I need that in my life. You want to get in? I know it's hot enough today. So, I'm just hanging out in the garden outside. We're just chilling. So upstairs is done already, and downstairs, they're working on downstairs right now. It's been going pretty good so far. I'm going to actually go up in a little bit when the stairs dry and check upstairs and see how everything looks, and I will bring y'all with me. Pool guys are there to clean the pool. So, yep. Everything's getting done today. Are you happy about that? So, right now I'm back upstairs. I'm chilling, and all I'm thinking about is that after this, I am going to sleep, take a shower, rest, get some sleep. And take it easy for the rest of the day. And that is the biggest thing I've learned when it comes to really trying to like take your life to the next level, take your business to the next level. You got to be willing to invest and delegate things in your life that will free up your energy so you can focus on other things. In my case, I need to rest, because I find that when I'm rested, I am most creative, and also I write better. I'm definitely just way more inspired. But when I'm beat down with like all of the things that I don't even have to beat myself down about, I'm like so blessed to be able to ask for help, you know, then I really run into like a lot of blocks. So I'm excited about that. What about you, Pop? guys have left. Pool man has left. Me and Anthony did a few things around the house to finish up everything, and I am honestly exhausted after today. And it sounds crazy to say that. I'm exhausted. I didn't do the cleaning, but hey. I had some other stuff going on today. So I am about to hit the shower, watch TV, go to bed. Peace.